Guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. I'm about to do a video tutorial for you about how to season your brand new cast iron skillets. So stay tuned. Okay, these are Lodge cast iron skillets, and the Lodge brand comes with like a light seasoning on them. So what I'm going to do is kind of scrub. I'm going to use dish soap on them for the first time, and you only want to do that one time to get that the factory kind of light coating off of there, and then we're going to get them seasoned. Okay, and you are only going to use soapy water on your skillet one time, and that's when you first buy it to get this little factory coating off of here. So this is the 12-inch here. I'm just washing it off, and then I'm going to do my 10-inch skillet. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do my 10-inch now, and I'm going to scrub it real good. And I'm going to turn over. I'm going to do the sides and the back also. You can also use a scouring pad as well. Either one would do. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off now that I've gotten it washed and scoured out. And what you want to do is with a soft cloth, you want to go ahead and get those dried out completely. The purpose of seasoning a skillet, some people may know and some people may not, but the purpose of seasoning the skillet is to create a non-stick coating on the skillet. And you do this by oiling the skillet down inside and out using shortening. Some people use other oils, but shortening is the best. It doesn't cake up and doesn't create a sticky coating. So shortening is the best. And what you want to do is when you oil it, and it gets down into the cracks and crevices of the cast iron skillet, that oil creates a seal and a glossy finish. That non-stick coating is what it is, and that's seasoning the skillet. And after you season the skillet, you want to season the skillet at least once, of course. Some people do it twice in a row. And you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to oil the skillet down, and don't have excess oil on it, but oil it down good. You're going to place it in the oven upside down so that the oil, you don't want it right side up so the oil doesn't pool right in the skillet. You want it upside down so everything runs off. And if you want to put it on like a baking sheet, you can do that, or aluminum foil in the oven. But and after you get your skillet seasoned, the next 2 times, you don't have to, but you want to cook something fatty in it, like bacon or something like that, and that helps to get the seasoning in even better and create that coating. And after each use, you want to wash the skillet with just hot water and a damp towel. Just give it a good rinse it out with hot water. No soap is to touch it again after that first time we already did when after it was brand new. So you want to just wash it with hot water and real good, and wipe it out with a towel. Make sure it's dry, because if you store it away too fast and it's damp, it can get rusty and stuff. So make sure you dry it out real good before you store it away. Okay, what you want to do now is you want to heat the skillet about a minute until the handle gets hot, and then we're going to go ahead and oil the skillet. Okay, I'm using Carlini all vegetable shortening to do these skillets, so I'm going to show you oiling them all up. into the oven for 1 hour. Here they are, guys. Oh, look at that. They're all shiny and pretty. Oh, I love that. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that sheen on there. That non-stick coating that is forming. So that's after one seasoning. I put them in for 350, I'm sorry, on 350 degrees for 1 hour. And I'm going to go ahead and season it again and do the whole process again. I'm not going to show it on camera, guys, but you don't have to do it one more time. But I just want to do it one more time to get another little gloss on there. All right, so you guys have a good day and enjoy your skillets.